Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at a Yeardle puzzle. 3 more events that took place in the same year, and I'm going to try and guess what year that was. Now, these are all Asian events, and my knowledge of European history is awful. I think my knowledge of history from other continents is even worse. Although, I suppose it means it will be after... Well, I was going to say it's after some of those continents were discovered, but obviously that's not true, because Chinese and Indian soldiers could have been clashing before Europeans knew that China and India existed. So I don't really know when these events would be at all. Yemen's internationally recognised government releases loads of prisoners amid concerns of the spread of the virus in Yemen's overcrowded jails. The spread of what virus? I mean, that's such a weird clue. I've got absolutely no idea when any of these events happened. I cannot even guess a century with any great confidence. The Pakistan-Harapan coalition government of Malaysia collapses. I mean, Malaysia can't be that old, can it? That makes me think that these are really recent events, at least the last 150 years at most. But, surely they would have had events from a variety of continents if that was the case. Like, if these things happened last year, I would have thought there'd be slightly more well-known events they could have chosen, but I don't really know. I'm going to hedge my bets. I'm going to go for 1824, because then if it tells me I'm within 200 years, well, if it tells me I'm more than 200 years off, then I know that it's earlier. It can't possibly be later. I suspect it will be earlier, but I'm going to start here and work my way back in time. Oh, now see, that's not really helped, because it tells me I am within 200 years, so it still might have happened last year. Because it says spread of a virus. I mean, I did think maybe it was referring to COVID, but it could be referring to so many things. Did Malaysia government collapse that recently? Did China and Indian soldiers clash that recently? I don't know. Let's jump 80 years more recent. Okay, we'll jump another 80 years. I am moving the right way. I thought maybe these events were really recent. I just got really confused. Okay. So now we can take shorter jumps. Let's try 2020 then, I suppose. It was 2020, so it was referring to COVID. I got really... I second-guessed myself too many times there. I thought maybe they were referring to COVID in that third clue. I just thought if it was that recent, I'd remember some of the events, and I had no idea what it was referring to in the top 2 clues. That is annoying, but at least I succeeded. Usually when it's a more recent event, I do a lot better than being 196 years off with my first guess. That's not brilliant, but at least I succeeded. We got there in 5. Let me know how you got on. I'm sure everyone watching did better than me. However, at least I succeeded. Not a complete disaster, but not brilliant. Let me know how you got on, as I said. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.